Hello. If your group or organization is participating in the Global Cardboard Challenge, you may want a mock-up or sort of a drawing or sketch of someone's idea about the arcade project they might build out of cardboard. So I'd like to today show you how to design on the iPad using the 123D Design app a simple cardboard box. And to do that, we're going to start out with our primitives. I'm just going to move my menu item over. We're going to drag a cube to our XYZ planes on our sort of desktop here, our workspace. And notice that most cardboard isn't blue, so I'm going to go ahead and go into my paint bucket, and I'm going to go up to here to my orange and make it sort of a grayish orange color to simulate my cardboard. And then once I tap my cube, there you have it. It's more of a cardboard color. And the second thing I'm going to do, cardboard boxes aren't full, so they're hollow. So I'm going to choose my third from the bottom menu item, and I'm going to choose the hollow out option on the very bottom. And tapping that, I'm going to go in and I'm going to actually drag my finger to hollow out a nice cardboard box. And you can see it works really, really well. There may be other ways to make a hollow cardboard or cube shape in 123 to design, but this is the easiest that I have found. And then I'm going to sort of pinch in to zoom out. And let's say a student or one of your participants wanted to cut out a hole out of these boxes to build an arcade. That's something that might be useful. So let me show you just quickly that last trick, and I will have more videos later. I'm going to actually go ahead and open up our primitives again. And let's say I wanted to carve out a cube shape. I'm going to bring a cube back in, and we're going to place that within my box. Now, obviously, this isn't going to work because they're sort of superimposed on one another, so I'm going to have to move that box, and then I'm going to resize it. So I'm going to move that box by tapping out, and so we can get that separately. And then I'm going to wheel around, and I'm going to get a sort of a look at this. Now, I want to create a sort of a smaller square shape that I'm going to use to cut out of my cardboard box. So doing that, I'm going to scale this. I'm going to use the third from the top now to scale. And I'm going to just drag a corner, and you can see I can make that cube shape as large or small as I want to. And now I'm going to go up to my top and move it again, and you can move it on any part of the axis. And I'm going to rotate around so I can get a good view to see what I'm doing. And sort of give it this look, and then I'm going to move it in a little bit. Now what I want to do is actually move it into my cardboard box wherever I want to cut out my shape. And I'm going to play with a little bit. I think if I move it up a little bit. Okay, that's good enough for our purposes. Now I'm going to tap out of that to select nothing, because here's a really neat feature of 123D Autodesk. And I'm now going to go into my select tool, and I'm going to choose my bottom tool where I can select one object. And I'm going to tap my cardboard box since that's the object I want to cut from. And then I'm going to tap what I want to cut out of, and that's going to be my blue cube. Tap that and see how beautifully that works. Very, very nice. Now later on in another video, I will show you how to sort of remember what size cube that was to sort of create a flap on your box if you want to. But basically, as a start for the 123D Design Cardboard Challenge phase for planning, I hope that helps. Have a great day. Thank you.